Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will show you the time lapse of my illustration, which I created specially for a relative or a friend who just delivered a baby. I made this e-card with Procreate on iPad. So honestly, I didn't have any idea at that time. So as you can see, I draw random things like ribbon and then the baby or something like that. And then I just got the idea of the concept that the world is like a jungle for us, like we are living in the jungle. So, and that's all. I created an alligator somehow. I'm using lining brush for the base color as usual. And then I added some blushes to the alligator, and then I drew another animal and I decided to make a giraffe. So I drew everything with the lining brush and also erase my mistakes in this illustration also with the same brush, lining brush. So I created the shape of the mouth of the giraffe with eraser brush, as you can see. And for this, the nose and also the color of the ear of the giraffe, I'm using clipping mask. So I draw this in a separate layer and then make it as a clipping mask to the base color of the giraffe. And for the next animal, I decided to make a lion because it shows a strong identity of the jungle. So I want to put a lion in this illustration. So I just started with a circle and then erase some of the big circle to create an illusion of the hair of the lion. And let's add some details to the lion, like the ear and the whiskers and the line above his nose, something like this. In this moment, I decided to move a bit the lion and want to add more like bigger animal, which is elephant. And this is how I draw elephant with the lining brush with the block color and erase some part to create the illusion of the ear of the elephant, something like this. Let's add some plants because it is in the jungle, so we must add some plants and shrubs. And because this is to celebrate a newborn baby, let's add the baby on the trees, something like this, like a simple baby wrapped in a blanket. And then I got the idea, what if we put the baby on the nest, like the bird nest? So I just added the nest afterwards, like this. And add more plants, I guess, shrubs. I just put it randomly and then add another plants, big leaves, something like this with different shade of green. And I started to add the text, welcome to the jungle, something like this, but I didn't like it, so I decided to keep adding more plants and more leaves and change the background color into dark green to make it more junglish somehow this way. And for the shadow, I'm using Banobo Chalk brush, and the key is I'm using 2 or 3 darker shade above the main color just to show a little bit shading into the illustration. gradient, more details, and also don't forget to put some shadow to the plants behind the animals, something like this. It's important to create a more lively or dynamic to your illustration. And I got this kind of funny idea to make the baby shine somehow, so I tried a little bit with yellow color and add some shades to see if this works. I also tried to change a bit of the style of the layers, but I don't think it works like this, so I decided to not using this shine concept in the end. But I tried a lot of methods for it, and then I decided to add more plants behind and put this text, "Welcome to the jungle," and voila, I can use it and send it to my friends or relatives who just have a baby. I hope you enjoyed the video and can learn something from my drawing process. Let me know your thoughts about it and leave a comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.